systems check green on the diagnostic tablet.
Copy that. Initiating the restart sequence now.
Alignment confirmed. Lower the assembly.
Applying torque. Levels are stable.
The alignment data looks good here.
Confirmed. We are clear to proceed.
Secrecy reads. The blistering on the hood samples exceeds the acceptable threshold by 5%.
And the metallic flake alignment is inconsistent here.
So the metallic dark green batch is fully processed.
Yes, shipment efficiency is confirmed complete.
Everything appears to be in perfect standby mode.
Yes, the cycle completion report is clean across the board.
The metallic coating stage is showing a 15% energy spike.
Yes, the load distribution is unstable there.
Check the voltage on auxiliary systems C and D.
Looks stable. Shutdown sequence complete. All systems in standby mode.
Platform 4 is clear. Return transport is up now.
Over. Did you sign off on the last batch?
Yes, all green. Let's move to the next section. Hold it right there. Slow forward now.
Bring the rear around. Easy, easy. And stop.
All units accounted for. Convoy 7 status confirmed. Departing factory perimeter.
Over.
Platform 4 is clear. Send the next batch now.
Reroute the H6 to Dock 3. It's delayed.
Got it. Adjusting the schedule.
Final verification complete. Seals and tie-downs are secure. You are cleared for exit.
Lane 3 is clear. Send the next batch forward now.
This wrap on the bumper looks loose.
Agreed. I'll make a note. The paint looks good otherwise.
We're showing 20 vehicles cleared for the 1400 slot.
Confirmed on the manifest. Radioing the lead driver now.
Tank 7, pressure nominal.
Coupling secured. Green light for transfer.
Route verification complete. Conditions confirmed. The green light is given for shipment.
Check timestamp 74B. Did that dark green SUV depart on schedule?
Yes, confirmed departure 3 minutes ago.
All clear on the barriers? Confirmed. Making the note now. We'll send the signal up.
These barriers here.
They look secure, eh? The anchors are tight.
All right, sign off on Sector 4.